Hello everyone, the next button is the move entities. For this purpose we will draw the rectangle, and from the move entities we will select the move entities. These four lines are already selected, and from these X and Y directional menu we can control the direction of the rectangle. Whatever distance we want to move, we will control from these buttons, and when we click the OK, the rectangle will move up to the that point. In the move entities there is another option, from or to. In this case the rectangle attached with the cursor, and wherever you want to place it you move up to there, and you have to click the right click for the 3 times. The rectangle will be placed on that point. Select the whole rectangle, all the four lines are selected. From to, we have to select the start point, whatever point from which from which point we can hold the rectangle and move up to the point. We can select either of the point. So we will select one point, and the rectangle will be stick on that point, and we can move wherever we want to move that rectangle. And we have to click the right click. Remember that right click 3 times, the rectangle will be moved up to that point.